Hello there, welcome back. So this is a 2016 Chevy Traverse LT. So I just want to show you how to reset the eye light. It's already reset. So I'm going to show you the steps what you need to take. So it varies from 13 to 17 the here. So what you're going to do, you're going to switch the ignition on. You're not going to start it. You're just going to leave it like that, guys. Alright, and then on the right here below the radio, you're going to have these menu button. So you're going to press and hold these two buttons, these right here. I'm going to press and hold them at the same time. As you can see, eye life there is already at 100%. So after hold on these buttons to use to select the different menu. So now I'm pressing them, both of them at the same time. I'm going to go to the eye life, and when you go to the eye life, you're going to press and hold this button till it change to 100% on the dash. It's already at 100, so it's not going to work. So that's how you reset your eye light, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time.